This is a 2-row repeat pattern to create a chevron. Although if you do look it up on friendshipbracelet.net and you look up pattern number 2, it will show 4 rows, but row 3 and 4 are the same as row 1 and 2, so it is essentially a 2-row repeat pattern. You can lay out your threads in whichever colour order that you want. You'll have a mirror image at both sides, so you'll basically have 2 sections and you'll have a mirror here of what you've got there. So I'm using 4 different colours for mine, but you could use 2 colours if you want. If you are doing 2 colours, you want the same colour on the outside in one section and then 2 colours the same in the centre section and then a mirror at that side. So for your first row, you want to start with 2 forward knots. And then 2 backward knots. And for your second row, you want to ignore your outside threads, and then starting with thread 2 and 3, you want to do a forward knot, and then according to the pattern it's a forward knot in the centre, but because both your threads are the same colour you can do whichever direction you prefer. I'm just going to do a forward knot because that is my preferred, but if you're left-handed you might want to do it the other way around. And then for your next one you want to do a backward knot. And that's basically it for the pattern. You want to keep repeating these 2 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can take your strings and then divide them into sections of 3. One of them will have to have 2. And then you can just do a 3-stranded braid to make your tie-on end. And you want to do this at both ends, and then when you've got your braid as long as you want it, just tie a knot in the end of all your threads. And then you can trim off any excess. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed simple chevron friendship bracelet.